AI-powered drug discovery. What used to take 10 years now takes 10 days. Imagine cleaning toxic water with particles smaller than a virus. This is the promise of nanozymes, synthetic enzymes that are revolutionizing pollution cleanup and diagnostics. Developed by the Chinese Academy of Sciences, these lab-made particles mimic natural enzymes but are tougher and more cost-effective. In the United States, researchers at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign are leveraging nanozymes to detect cancer biomarkers much faster than traditional methods. Already making waves in water purification, these tiny powerhouses are entering clinical trials for disease detection. We're just at the beginning of their commercial journey, but the potential impact on medicine and environmental science is enormous. From polluted rivers to hospital labs, nanozymes are small in size but could lead to monumental changes in our world. Faster cures, cheaper treatments. AI isn't just helping doctors, it's becoming one.